We have this custom board from a customer that run touchGFX. It's based on STM32H7 that is connected to resistive touch and 4.3 LCD, which include a QSPI flash of 16 megabytes, RS485, and USB communications, and also some inputs-outputs that will be used for others' purposes. So the goal of this video is to show how to add your custom board in the list of touchGFX supported boards, like the ones that you find when you want to create a touchGFX project for a specific SD dev kit. First of all, you should have already a touchGFX project running with no issues for your board with your example GUI. Then you clean the project and remove all generated binaries as you see. Now, following the SD documentation, we run the first command that will generate a .zip file and a .json file that will be used after for the second command. Now let's jump to the JSON file and see what inside. The file has come with several fields that we need to change them for our specific case. Our company contact infos, the used RTOS, the package version, also the name of your board, the GUI demo name, description of your hardware capability and GUI, the image link of your hardware that will be shown in the first interface when using your template inside touchGFX Designer. Also, without missing the most important field, which is the type field. It indicates which template we are generating. There are 3 types, and we choose the TGAP type, which means we want to keep the GUI demo and the hardware abstraction both in the same package. Check them in touchGFX documentation on link below. Now we save and we run the second command. The .tpo is generated, and we place it in the Packages folder for your touchGFX Designer installation folder. After we have to rerun the touchGFX Designer to see the effect. Now we have successfully added our hardware, and now you can see all the description that we put in the JSON file. Let's create now a project and check if everything works. Something that I forget to talk about in the beginning is to develop your makefile file for you project to build and flash to make the compile and flash to the target easier, and only from one button from touchGFX Designer. Now we will generate C++ files and simulate the GUI. Then we compile for the target and flash directly by connecting the SWD debugger. The demo GUI is flashed and works on target. Now we can try whatever touchGFX demo GUI in the same size by easily importing them from import. Now let's directly run it on target. You can see now in the board live video that the new GUI is successfully installed and works as expected and without big effort. You can run whatever GUI or import new blank one, and run it directly in your hardware if you respect the dimensions 480 x 272 and the flash size, which is 16 megabytes. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or you want support for your hardware.